Hey there folks, Grant Schubert down here at Donnelly Ford Lincoln, back at it again with another video. And today we're having a look at this 2022 F-150 Shelby with the off-road package. Enjoy! That's right folks, today we are having a look at this 2022 Ford F-150 Shelby with the off-road package. Now the off-road package obviously is going to give you a beautiful lift kit, give that truck a really nice stance, which is going to allow you to get back into the bush anywhere you need to go, and is also going to stand out from every other truck on the road because you are going to be sitting up much higher. Now to go along with that off-road package, we have these 35-inch BFG Goodrich all-terrain tires, the KO2s, with the 22-inch black Shelby wheels. We also have Shelby on the brake cover there. Again, just a beautiful look. The KO2 is going to give you a really sharp look, a nice calm drive on the road, but is still going to give you the functionality of getting wherever you need to go. Again, Shelby is written pretty well everywhere on this truck. You can see on that front end we have Shelby right in the grille, and it goes to match with the striping. So this is the agate black color. We've got the gray stripes, and the Shelby ties in with those gray stripes really well. Just below the word, we've got the front camera because this has the 360 camera. This is built on the Lariat platform. And then we have the front sensors. So again, it is definitely a big truck. You're never going to be able to bump into a wall or anything like that in front of you. If you get a little too close, the truck is going to let you know. We do have the ram airhead hood on there as well. So you're going to get a little bit more ventilation through that engine, really keep it nice and cool, which you're going to want because it is supercharged. That's right, this vehicle is supercharged with 775 horsepower. We'll show you a little bit under the hood, show you that supercharger, and we'll hear it whine in a little bit here as well. We'll rev it up just a little bit so you can hear that in the exhaust. We'll keep coming down the side, and you can see we've got the Shelby vent cover right in the upper quarter panel. Really sharp. Again, F-150 off-road, just in case you were confused. There is obviously the Super Snake, which is a lowered version. Video for that will be coming soon as well. Really sharp. Again, just kind of changes out the truck, makes it look a little bit more custom and a little bit more yours. We'll go ahead and we'll pop open the truck. You can see as soon as we open that door, the amp research running boards come down for you. Obviously, with this thing being lifted, you're going to want to be able to get up into that truck, and those amp research running boards are going to help you out. We'll get into the front seat in a little bit there, but you can see they change out all the leather on the interior. Do a lot more work. You can see the carbon fiber in the cup holders there, a little bit more in the front, which I'll show you there too. Really nice leather. Again, just adds to the customizations of this truck. As we come down the side, you see you got the Shelby bedside logo, and one of my favorite parts of this truck, the back end. See, we have the dual exhaust cut out right into the bumper. And while we're back here, why don't we start it up a little bit? And as you can tell, just an absolutely beautiful sound to go along with this beautiful looking truck. We have the fender flares, front and back, non-billeted, which I find looks really sharp. And then we have the hard painted tonneau cover. Again, just to complete the whole customization look and really tie everything all together. So let's go ahead and we'll pop into the truck and we'll show you a little bit more about what this thing has to offer. As I mentioned, it is on the Lariat platform. So you have a lot of nice bells and whistles. You have the memory seats, power folding window mirrors. You have adaptive cruise control. You have lane keeping assist. All of the bells and whistles you'd expect from a nice luxury truck. and this thing is going to be able to get you anywhere you want to go. Go ahead and we'll start it up real quick. While it's doing that, you can see this is number 58. So they do number all of their trucks. Number 58 right there. There's our Shelby American Series, 60 years going. And here's our new beautiful touchscreen. Absolutely massive, and that's where your 360-degree camera is going to show up. So you see you have your back camera there, and there's your 360-degree, which is going to be able to help you park in any situation. I'll go ahead and I'll pop it in drive, and you can also see that when I push that button, we have the front camera, which is just as clear as the back camera. Really, really nice, and again, gonna be able to help you park wherever you're gonna be parking. We do have the drive modes as well as the 2 high, 4 high, 4 low, and 4-wheel automatic. The automatic is very, very convenient, where you can actually leave it in that year round and it'll turn on and off as you need it. We have the Bang & Olufsen Play system. So really, really nice sound system in this vehicle. All the carbon fiber all across. Shelby written right into the seats. This is really, really a special truck. So if this is something you're interested in, we still have a couple of 2022s down here at Donnelly Ford Lincoln. Send me an email, we'll get you set up with any more information you're looking for. And again, this is a beautiful truck that you have to see to believe. Grant Schubert down here at Donnelly Ford Lincoln. I look forward to hearing back from you. Bye for now.